my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your weekly technical analysis of New York and London coffee markets. I'll start with New York coffee. We should all by now be familiar with the small V-bottom made back at the turn of March into April. That was the original start of the move higher that we've seen since. Yet there are three pitchforks here, bullish ones, that have dictated the overall move up. Two before and after, and in another one only after the V-bottom. The October 2019 to February 2020 bullish shift pitchfork has and still is showing the bullish angle of attack of this market. The way the middle time, currently at 139.15, capped the market back in February was evidence of this, as was the way the market punched up through it back in late April. There is another more recent bullish pitchfork, the June to November 2020 shift pitchfork, that has also complemented this older bullish shift pitchfork and has been extremely useful to the market. The middle time, currently at 136.25, showed the bullish angle of attack throughout November 2020 to April 2021 and has been exemplary. Indeed, the market is now running these past 3 to 4 weeks into the upper time, currently at 153.70, which has capped the rise. And most recently, late last week and this week, introduced some indecisive spinning tops that may be a disturbing tri-star pattern in the making. Just keep an eye on that. Finally, more gently, after the V-bottom, we've had the November 2020 to April 2021 bullish Andrews pitch, which has shown an admirable example of the more recent bullish acute angle of attack between the middle time, currently at 146.05, and the upper time, currently 159 even. Those are the forces currently in at play, and the possibility of a tri-star pattern is the most worrisome to those in favour of the bullish cause. Yet it has worked its way through, and it will do so, but it seems in no hurry to do it. That's the thing to watch out for, is to see exactly what happens after this period of indecision. London coffee. Okay, just to recap the big picture, we had two sideways triangles in this market, one from summer 2020 and the other more recently since mid-March. The early one had a false break higher, the new one did not, which was why it was so important when seeing the break higher 5 weeks ago to verify that it was a true break higher. This it did. I wrote 4 weeks ago, and I quote, "Target X, currently at 1537, is the preliminary potential target for the large sideways triangle. Target X1, off the top of the chart, currently at 1632, is the full potential target for the sideways triangle. All these depend on a continuation of the current break higher out of the sideways triangle." End of quote. Since then, we've reached target X and halted there before a pullback down to the region of the second reverse head and shoulders bottom neckline from July 2019, currently at 1455, and the 50% Fibonacci line, the October 2018 to April 2020 move at 1450. I'd favour the 50% Fibonacci line as being the stronger support. The market then rallied to the June 2019 high of 1511, dipped to the 50% Fibonacci line of May 2018, April 2020 move at 1477 before gapping higher once again today, but with a disappointing indecisive spinning top pattern for the day itself. It seems the market is in two minds on whether to try higher or go back to support, and the recent gyrations are indicative of it, if on a larger intraday scale. There is no immediate pattern self-evident right now other than the original large sideways triangle. Once and if the market disentangles itself from its implications, then we may see the start of something new. But for now, target X is still there as an attractor, and target X1 is still off the top of the daily chart. Thank you for listening. This weekly broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.